Morning, Doug.
Morning. I'm Ralph, am I?
You're Doug, Ralph.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Morning, Frank. How are you?
Not bad.
Morning, Ralph. Morning, Sam.
We're back at the not so secret favourite spot.
Lagoon.
Yes, and we'll just show the viewers. Have a look at the weed that for some reason has come loose and drifted in here, and look out there. There's a clear space of about 25-30 metres, and then it's just solid weed. So that could be a little bit of a drama. But anyway, Wongalla Lagoon, folks, in case you don't recognise it. And we've come back here today because basically no one's catching anything anywhere. Doug caught all the fish last time at Windvale, but it's very, very quiet. And that's sort of a bit of a function of this time of year, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
For it to be quiet, and we're just hoping that a shallow lagoon, maybe just a degree or two warmer, and get the fish moving.
Yeah.
You have caught here in winter, haven't you?
Yeah, I have. I've done all right in the winter, actually, Frank. Yeah. Now, have you finished? Have you done your bit now?
I think so.
Right. I got wellies on, right?
You do?
Yeah. Now, you bought wellies,
Yeah.
but you haven't got them on. Why is that, Frank? You told me over there, don't lie, tell the truth.
Because my tootsies are cold.
Yeah. Frank wouldn't put his wellies on because his wellies are cold.
Yeah.
So I've got to do the wading.
No, you
and catch
haven't.
the
If
fish.
necessary, I'll put mine on.
Yeah.
But
I had to laugh at that.
oh, you can
My
laugh.
wellies are cold. I can't
Yeah,
put my
no,
wellies
they're
on.
bloody
Oh,
freezing.
for God's sake. This is someone that's travelled, you know, to the depths of Australia on his own and that. Can't put cold wellies on.
No.
There you
Well, yeah, okay. I need a harden up shirt, do I? Anyway.
So I'll do the wading this morning, Frank.
Oh, well, you usually do. You're very good at it. And you know where the reef is. And I mean, that's important when you're going to go out there into the wilds, because there could be some deep holes.
Yeah.
There could not be as well. Anyway, we're just hoping that the weed will not end up drifting in here, because if it does, it's going to make it pretty unfishable. But right now, it's not looking too bad. So let's get into it.
Okay.
Double feeder for you, Doug?
Yeah, I'm going to try double method feeder.
See, look at that. You haven't even actually cast it out in anger and you've got weed on the line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be alright, it'll be alright.
Yeah, so two method feeders for Doug, and I'm going to do, I'll try a method feeder and I'll just try a regular cage feeder. And then we need to find out what they'll actually eat today.
Yeah,
so
I'm
you
going to go in there and do some burleying.
Okay, you're going to do, you're going to put corn on?
No, I'm going to put pellets.
Pellets?
Yeah. So, I'll fill me.
You're going to put it in your pocket?
Yeah, well, yeah, I've got it.
Well, why don't you just carry the bag out there and hold it in your teeth?
Well, I've got...
Like a pirate.
Catapult takes 2 hands, Frank.
Okay.
See, look. See, I'll put the stuff in
Yeah,
there.
Reggie, you can have the bag in your teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm going to do that.
Alright, we'll watch.
Okay.
So if you thought that you'd fished in some shallow spots, have a look at him. He's 20 metres out from the bank and he's only halfway up his wellies.
Nice warm wellies.
Nice warm wellies? Yeah, well mine are definitely cold. Most of that I think went by your feet.
Yep, that's normal.
That's normal.
That is definitely
Okay, well he's having fun. I'll go and get organised.
always had a bucket and spade on the beach when I was a kid.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I could just see you with a knotted hanky on your head.
I've done that and all.
Okay, ready to go.
Oh, getting used to it.
I'm going to use worms on both. So that's the method. Looks like I lost a bit of my burley then, but never mind. And cage feeder straight out in front, also with worms. And swap to corn or bread or something if we don't get much in the way of hits. That will do nicely. Right, the Corellas are here. Noisy buggers. Well, all the lines are in, well, apart from Doug because he's still faffing around with something. It is a little nippy. I think it was about 5 degrees when we came down earlier. So there better be some fish. I'm over donuts. The frogs are chirping. Alright, I put my wellies on just so he doesn't keep complaining all the time.
How's your feet then, Frank?
Cold. Bloody freezing. But dry.
It isn't warm.
It is not warm.
It's not warm.
Well, I'm going to stick my gumboots out here, Doug, and I'm going to make a prediction.
You going to do it on camera?
I'm doing it on camera. My prediction is it's going to be a slow day.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
There's not any evidence of fish moving around, splashing. The pelicans are pretty well doing nothing. I think it's going to be slow. Not to say I won't get something, but it's going to be slow.
I think if it had been clear like it normally is, I'd have been happier.
Yeah.
But with this weed, I think it's going to make it hard. You've got to cast out, not move your bait.
That's right.
Otherwise you're going to just drag into the rubbish.
Yeah. Oh well, we'll see how we go. We've been here for 30 minutes or a bit more fishing, but nothing yet.
Yeah.
I just checked the temperature, Doug.
And it's a balmy what?
6.8. 6.8 degrees. What the hell's going on?
We're supposed to get to 17 today, it said.
Yeah, I don't think so. Well, it's a bit hard to be optimistic. We have had absolutely nothing in an hour. This thick weed is gradually drifting down the lagoon, and of course it's fouling the lines. But I guess you just got to keep casting and keep hoping.
Yeah.
Well, we've moved. Absolutely nothing was happening at Wongalla in the lagoon, and so much weed. So we've come down here. Doug's down there on the lower story. I'm up here on the high bank because I like to just be able to look down on the plebs. And there's a pleb turning around looking at me. We feel a little bit more positive about fishing here. We have caught before, and while I was setting my chair up, a big carp came and splashed on the top right in front of us. So we'll give it a go here, see if we can't catch something. So I'm going to persevere with the worms, and I've got worms with the cage feeder, and go straight out in front with that one. And Doug is persevering with corn and the method feeder. So hopefully something will turn up. Well, this could be a case of more paddle steamers than fish again.
I don't know that. Oh, that is Proud Mary.
Proud Mary.
Yeah.
I think we've got Indians sending messages. I think the message is, today is not a good day for a bonfire. Particularly if you're burning something really green or wet. Doug's done it again.
It's not that big, but I'm not complaining.
No. Well, a fish is a fish, and on a day like today,
Yes!
yay!
That's a better than the kick in the teeth.
A fish!
A fish.
Yay!
Yeah!
At least that's a fish. We probably would not have got that if we'd stayed where we were.
Definitely wouldn't have done.
Nice. I just broke off my feeder hook. Yep. Well, I have not had a sniff. Doug's on to number 3, or is he? That, I was going to say, that looks like a snag to me.
Yeah. Lost it.
Yeah. Well, Doug's had 2, and he just had another bite then. And I have to say, I have not even looked like getting a bite. It's just not happening. Same bait, same rig.
Snap me off.
A few metres difference in position, that's it. Oh well, at least it's a hook, not a feeder, Doug. Doug, that was 2 fish short of a total disaster.
Yeah. I don't know what to say.
I do.
Just
I do, but it's not for... it's,
F to start with an F. Or
no,
a
possibly
B.
not. Possibly not.
No,
This is just a horror run for me at the moment.
it is. And,
Absolutely, 4 donuts in a
yes.
row.
I feel for you, Frank.
Yeah, I know.
I can't do anything about it.
No, you can't. You can't. But you know, we tried 2 spots today. The first spot was basically unfishable with all that weed.
Yeah.
Plus, it was bloody freezing.
Yeah.
We've come here. It's much nicer. You had 2 fish out near where that pelican is,
Yeah.
and I did not have a touch. Same bait, same rigs.
Yeah.
I don't know.
No, I don't know.
No.
Don't know.
Oh well. You know what they say, there's always next time.
Yeah, you got to keep trying. Once you get this fish, and then it'll all be over, and you'll be going like that, and I'll be sitting there going, I can't get a bite.
No, but it won't be, Doug, because I'm selling all my fishing gear when I go home. No, well, I'm hanging out for this saltwater trip, and one way and another, everything has conspired against me having it. If it's not the weather, it's commitments and all the rest of it. I really want to get over there and get some salmon, and maybe that's what I need.
Yeah.
Just something else. Anyway, 2 undersized.
No, they weren't undersized. Come on, Frank. They were huge on the day. That would have been huge on the day.
Say goodbye, Doug.
Goodbye, Frank.
Goodbye.
No, goodbye, Doug.